For those that aren't familiar with the name, and actually we talked to one analyst who said one of the reasons behind the stock's underperformance lately might be the complexity and the misunderstanding from investors about what you do. Just lay it out for us.
Yeah, sure, Sarah. Thank you for having me. So companies around the world are going digital. They're looking to figure out how to migrate or use the public cloud. And they're looking at enabling a distributed workforce. And all of these trends are here for the long term. Now, we as a company, Nutanix, provides a cloud software platform that allows our customers to use the cloud of their choice, run all their applications, and enable their distributed workforce. Now, think of us like being an Airbnb of cloud. We provide a platform where customers can come in on the one side, companies can come in, run their applications. Cloud providers can use our platform to bring enterprise workloads onto their cloud. So think of us as that kind of a platform, and that's what we do. And we provide that flexibility and freedom for our customers to operate anywhere.
So how are you chasing Amazon specifically here with some of these outages?
Yeah, so first of all, I think companies should be looking at cloud as an operating model, not as a destination. Right? So they should be building for resilience, they should be building for cost, they should be building for security and privacy. All of this dictates that they run in multiple clouds. Right? They have to choose the location that best meets their business needs and their budget. And so in this world, that's really what I would call a hybrid multi-cloud world, they need a platform that can deliver that sort of an operating model for them. And that's exactly what we do. Now, we partner with Amazon. We partner with Microsoft, right, to enable customers to go work in the cloud of their choice.
When some of your rivals, whether big or small, have temporary outages, does that immediately and directly benefit you, or is it harder to draw such a certain link?
Yeah, I think it actually teaches a lesson that companies should be building for resiliency. As an example, we have many of our customers today who are implementing disaster recovery scenarios for exactly these kind of scenarios, where they are making sure they can operate across multiple environments. So, for example, we've talked about many companies, including large financials, that actually use our software to run their workloads on-prem, and they're actually using the public cloud as a disaster recovery platform. So if something goes wrong with their main data centers, they're able to immediately switch over and build up capacity in AWS with our platform and use that. Very flexible, very powerful use cases. And so what an example like this teaches you is that you have to build for resiliency.
What do you see on the horizon for customer adoption and billings after we've had such a strong few years here as everything has migrated online and into the cloud, which was accelerated by COVID?
Indeed, I think that journey is going to continue, right? It's going to be multiple clouds, it's going to be multiple destinations, and they're going to look at this as an operating model. And look, there's no, fundamentally, if you look at what's happened here, IT has become a major enabler for companies to do business. And that trend is going to continue. And that's what's helping companies like us actually do well as well in this environment where, we've talked about how we are growing our top line at 25% for the next several years. That's what we told our investors. And also getting to a positive free cash flow in a sustainable way by the end of this calendar year 22. And so far, we've had 4 quarters of beat and raise on both top line and bottom line, and we hope that'll continue.